If you are struggling to get a good night's rest, let's see how to enable and use sleep tracking on your Galaxy Watch 8 so you can wake up feeling much better. So to enable it, let's open the wearable app. Go to Watch Settings, scroll down and tap on the Health. If Samsung Health app is not installed on your Sync device, you will be redirected to the Play Store. Just install the Health app and that's it. Let's open the app. Allow and grant some initial permissions, and when you're asked to choose between general health-related activities, you can enable sleep tracking no matter what you select in here. And then just follow some prompts to finish the app setup. When you first open the app, you'll get this pop-up and then just tap on the settings and then allow the app permission to your device. After that, re-enter the app and from now on, this app dashboard will go to sleep. First, you gotta set up the 3 targets sleep. For that, tap on the 3 dots, go to Set Target, and here on this round-shaped clock, select your bedtime and wake-up time duration. It's recommended to have a sleep time for at least 7 to 8 hours every day. After that, go back one step, tap on the 3 dots, and go to Advanced Measurement. And make sure that the blood oxygen, the snore detection, and the skin temperature during sleep, all these 3 options are selected in here. In addition to that, scroll down to the sleep settings, tap on the Enter Data, tap on Today. Let's say if you got your sleep history that you have recorded somewhere else, you can select different dates on calendar and manually enter your old and previous sleep data and just save it. This data will be added as a sleep history along with the current sleep data. And lastly, do not forget to wear the watch properly when you go to sleep, and so your watch can calculate your sleep quality. Thanks for watching.